What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So today we are in the car wash right now. I was actually gonna start it on the way here, but I was like I need some air first. So let me chill for a little bit before I put the camera on. Yeah, I freaking love this red light. But yeah, I was like, let me chill for a minute before I throw on the camera. Just left the gym, had a good workout, so I freaking love this car wash because I could just come in here, get a quick wash, and then be on my way. I know a ton of people are probably staring at the freaking windows like, aren't you gonna wipe down the windows? Bro, I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'm gonna go home and wipe everything down. But the water here in Florida is terrible, so there's always water spots no matter where you go. I know people probably stare at me like, why are you bringing such an expensive car to this car wash? But the truth of the matter is, bro, it doesn't even matter because, oh wait, hold on, I might just do a quick little highway POV and then hop back off. But yeah, man, I know people might feel away and be like, damn, what the hell, what's he doing? But it's just convenient, bro. Like, yeah, it's hard as hell, but yeah, it's just convenient. Like, rather than going to a detailer, he's gonna be there for 2 hours trying to go to the inside, the outside of the car to make sure it's perfect, you know? Sometimes you just need a quick little wash. But did you guys hear about Squeeze Benz, bro, getting arrested? Oh my God, bro. Everybody just, oh. And it's like, I try to drive normal, bro, but everybody just drives like crap here. Like, I say it constantly. And literally, like, this state, everybody drives like they have nowhere to go. Like, I don't know if they don't have jobs or something, but it's just crazy. Like, everybody drives like they have nothing to do. I'm like, bro, I have a million stuff I gotta do today. Oh my God, bro, it's so annoying. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are having a great day. But Squeeze Benz, that's just so funny. Like, it's funny because he actually looks like a kid too. Like, you see in his picture, I'll put it somewhere in the screen, but it just looks crazy. Oh man, Squeeze, what happened, bro? Nah, I'm not gonna lie, I just can't wait to see what the dash cam footage is like. Well, not the dash cam, but like how cops always wear that camera on them. I'm trying to see that body cam footage because I'm trying to figure out how did they catch him, because if he's been on a year-long streak of just driving the way he wanted to and doing whatever he wanted, I want to know how they, because I feel like the only way you catch somebody like that is to either pit maneuver them, or let's say they're chasing them on the highway and they have cops already down there blocking off the road. I feel like that's the only way that they're gonna catch somebody like him, because he actually could drive. So him driving like that is like nothing to him, you know? So, but that's why I said, like, everybody who's trying to, you know, damn, come on, Porsche. But everyone who's trying to get big onto YouTube and they think that you think that somehow that you gotta drive like a friggin' maniac just to get views, you really don't. As long as you have a somewhat cool car and like you got a chill personality and people feel like they can connect to you, you should be pretty much fine. You know, a lot of people feel like I gotta be doing 130. Like, my car can easily go up to a buck 90 right now, but am I gonna, is it even worth it? No, it's not even worth it. Like, for a couple of views and then what? You know? Now, of course, it'd probably make for a sick video, right? But think about it, they already, like, I've already posted a bunch of videos already. Let me confront all these people, because I could just see they're all gonna take their sweet time. Where did that cop go? I saw this cop was on here, but where did he go? Oh, I think he's further up there. Before, I used to love those Porsche Panameras, but then I heard a bunch of them had like electrical problems and all that, and I was like, nah, I'm not dealing with that. There's so many people with signs, bro. I always feel bad if either I don't have change, like $1 bills, or like a certain amount of money on me, because then I can't give. But I always feel bad as hell. Because me, it's like, even though I know some of those people are gonna spend it on drugs or spend it on drinking or whatever, at least you know, like, okay, you're helping somebody out, even though it's a bad habit, you know. But 12:56, okay, we got time, we got time. Yeah, today, what is today? Today is May the 22nd. So Memorial Weekend is coming up this weekend. Damn, why is this stuff not going? But yeah, it's gonna be a nice long weekend. I thought about taking off Friday, but I'm saving some of my time for a couple months down the road after I graduate. I want to take a good chunk of time off, so I'm gonna do that. This Saturday I'm going to get a tattoo. It's gonna be a tribal tattoo. I'll put it somewhere in the video right here. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna be going out to Miami. I found a good artist that's really detailed, and he said that he could do it, so it's like, you know what, I trust you, bro, let's do it. I freaking love tattoos, man. They're so addicting though. Like I always have to tell myself to just stop after I get one, because once you start, bro, you just don't stop. Even if it's like a small one, a big one, like as soon as you think of something, you're just gonna think of something else. But yeah, and then sometime next year I want to go to Hawaii to get a full tribal sleeve. I've been talking about that for I don't know how many years now, probably 4 or 5 years now. I've like wanted that sleeve for the longest time, so hopefully gonna get that. Because they have tribal tattoo artists here in the States, but I'm like, why not go to like Hawaii, where a lot of the tribes started, and you know, they could really give you an authentic tribal tattoo. So that's kind of why I was like, it just makes sense, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.